Midjourney is one of the most popular AI image generators in the world. You can use it right in your web browser with nothing to install. In this guide, you'll visit the official site, create your account, subscribe, and generate your very first image.
No Python, no command line, no downloads. Let's get started.
Midjourney turns plain text into beautiful images. You describe a scene, and it paints 4 variations for you. You can refine any result with subtle or strong variations, upscale it for more detail, and edit it with the built-in editor.
Because it runs entirely in the cloud, it works on any device with a modern browser.
The requirements are simple. You need a modern browser, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You also need a free Google or Discord account to sign in. You must be at least 13 years old.
Midjourney requires a paid subscription, starting at $10 a month, and you'll pay with a credit card. There is no Python, no Node.js, and nothing to install.
Start at the official site, midjourney.com. Type the address in the browser bar and press Enter. The dark landing page loads in seconds. In the top right corner, click Sign Up. Only use the official midjourney.com address.
The sign-up screen offers 2 easy options. Continue with Google or continue with Discord. Click your preferred provider, choose your account in the pop-up, and you're in. You'll land on the Explore page where the community gallery is waiting. Your account is created in seconds.
Explore is your first screen. On the left, the sidebar holds 6 sections: Explore, Create, Organize, Personalize, Chat, and Tasks. In the center, you'll find the community gallery, full of images from other creators. The search bar at the top finds prompts and styles.
Filters let you sort by For You, random, or hot.
To generate images, you need a plan. Open Manage Subscription from your profile. Choose monthly or yearly billing, and yearly saves 20%. The basic plan is $10 a month, with about 3.3 fast hours. Standard is $30, Pro is $60, and Mega is $120. Click Subscribe, complete the Stripe checkout, and your plan becomes active instantly.
Now, let's make an image. Click Create in the sidebar. At the top, the prompt bar says, "What will you imagine?" The settings panel lets you pick the image size, with presets like 1:1, 16:9, and 9:16. You can also adjust Stylize, Weirdness, Variety, and Generation Speed. Personalize teaches Midjourney your taste.
Time for the first test. In the prompt bar, type, "A cute orange cat sitting on a mossy rock." Studio lighting, press Enter, and Midjourney starts rendering. In about 60 seconds, you'll get 4 image variations. If you see the grid, everything works.
Hover over any image to reveal very subtle and very strong buttons.
The settings make a real difference. Click the 16:9 preset for wide images, just like this video. Push Stylize higher, and the art becomes more expressive. Crank up Weirdness for unpredictable results. Variety makes the 4 results differ from each other.
Choose fast speed for quick generations, and relax to save your hours.
Every result can be edited. Click an image to open the editor with zoom, pan, and erase tools. Erase any area and Midjourney repaints it. To save your work, right-click the image and choose Save Image As. All your creations live in the Organize tab where you can search and download them anytime.
2 errors trip up beginners. If you see something went wrong or could not complete the job, first, check the status page at status.midjourney.com. Then rewrite your prompt, clear your browser cache, and try again.
If you run out of fast hours or your card is declined, open Manage Subscription, update your payment method, and wait for the monthly reset.
That's the whole loop. 1. Open midjourney.com. 2. Sign up with Google or Discord. 3. Subscribe and start creating. From $10 a month. No installs, just imagination. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy prompting.